through first. Alright, yeah, so I have this and this post. Come in and do the video gold, so I'm going to do. We have a phone on my face.
And back at 11 o'clock.
What do you want to do on my face, though? Phone on my face. I mean, even to say phone on my face.
TikTok police was your job.
No, I'm not alive. I wake call it, honey, yo. Oh, what chicken? What we chicken with? Why didn't keep on saying my chicken last night? What's that? Yeah, maybe thinking black is true. The phone blurry. Yeah. But what me chicken with?
With the ice cream. I reckon the ice cream.
What did you do with the ice cream?
I used the ice cream last night.
You
You never use the ice cream?
You're
The ice cream
funny.
telling us the ice cream did drop, bro.
Yeah. The ice cream drop it, that's right. When I get for you, it. Alright, babe, come on, try my skincare. So, you post on your channel, right?
Yeah, man, I got English smoke. I'm 16 and tired.
So, you post on your channel and post on mine?
Yeah, she pregnant. Yeah. She pregnant.
So, you try my skincare, please?
She a breed.
Yeah, but.
On my channel?
Yeah.
Alright.
You want me to try on your channel?
Yeah, that not better.
I want my money.
I'm gonna post. I'm gonna post.
Be more with
But I'm gonna post. I'm gonna post your skin charm thing.
You tell the people them about you, so?
No, I'm gonna come back there to come tell them.
So tell them say I try my skincare no guys.
Guys, I'm gonna try our skincare. You see my face brown and pretty now, guys. Me no need for trying a skincare, but through I'm a woman,
Yeah.
right through, yeah, I'm gonna try our skincare.
Guys, you come on YouTube and tell me if you wanna please, like, please, I want to go up on the market. You understand me, that's something good. So guys, you come over and tell me what you think. And babes, you have to tell them what you think and how you smell and how you feel on your face. Hi baby, what's up? Hey sexy. Momo! You post already? No, if you're gonna do him there, you start talk to one girl. I tell the girl saying cute and something.
Yeah, she hit up her nails last night. Yes.
Hot? Not your fridge. Not lying. You're hot. Literally, one time I bought me toe when I go do toenail. I never put back toenail on my foot again. Now I'm gonna slap this up last night. Oh, more sleep. I don't really get like 100% sleep yet, so yeah, I'm sleepy. Come.
Guys, later. Get up and use up the couple page Frank Annie. Guys, when I have the couple page again, we just reaching out where is Annie. See Annie there, so. Oh, baby, connect. Hello, you know, some like LOL. Like it too. You know me like it too. You know me like it too. See it here, baby girl. You know me like it too. Alright, we send this. Alright, see it here, mama. She send one more. Pankara make she post it on our YouTube. That prank. That prank. She not really like the prank still, but say it go. See phone the baby. You not listen, kiss my teeth. I not listen why. Chinese, I'm not listen. But unruly, I'm not cheat. Listen people, you know.